Hello everybody, my name is Rick Castaneda. I am the instructor for the Precision Machining Technology program at the Wilson Talent Center. This program provides students with the opportunity to learn entry-level job skills that are needed to enter a manufacturing career. Our day usually starts by being in the classroom, taking attendance, and going over the theory part of the program. Once we go over that information, we like to come out here to the lab. Our assessments and our skills are really learned once the student starts to operate the machines. Although we teach the manual machining methods to learn problem-solving methods that are involved in machining process. Today's manufacturing is accomplished on CNC machinery such as the one behind myself. It is important to know that there are many jobs related to manufacturing. So just because you enroll in this program does not mean you're going to be running a manual machine somewhere in a company. Jobs related to manufacturing that do not involve being out in the lab are such things as inspection, purchasing, sales, and CNC programming. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control. Students that have successfully completed this program in the past often graduate and earn between $13 to $20 an hour, with the opportunity to continue their education at the local colleges through either an internship program or a company training program. One of the certifications that you can earn here at the Wilson Talent Center is the OSHA 10-hour safety card. This is often sought after by employers because the student knows the safety requirements of industry. Some of the tools and processes that you learn here include bench work, inspection, layout, operating surface grinders, operating manual drill presses, operating manual lathes and mills, coupled by going into the second year program and learning the CNC equipment. Here at the Wilson Talent Center, we teach you both the Haas machines, which include the lathe and the mill. Now that I've told you about what we learn here at the Wilson Talent Center, I am going to hand it off to one of my students who's going to give you a virtual tour of our lab.
My name's John Bacha. I'm from Fowlerville High, and I'm in the Precision Machining Technology class. This is my first year. But in here we do stuff like work with this Accurite Bridgeport mill, and it's a stepping stone into CNC because you use a computer and conversate with it, so you basically draw out what you want to make. It's pretty cool. We have a bunch of lathes that we do metal turning on. We're making a C-clamp right now. It's got electric feed. If I wanted, turn it on. So we use machines like this just to make everyday parts that you use at home. We have a whole bunch of grinders. That's the CNC machine that we use. Basically, you put in G-code from a computer. It's like this is after you use that mill over there. It's what people use to design like engines and stuff and cut them out. And it's probably the coolest thing you'd ever do, in my opinion. It's really fun. Second years are the people who actually get to start learning how to use this, because those are the people who are probably going to go into the trade. When you're first year, you just start learning how to use drill presses, how like certain speeds to run them for different metals, a whole bunch of wheel grinders, a couple band saws. We use this to cut down the stock so we can get it to a good size. We got a whole bunch of different types of material here that we use. Steel, carbon steel, aluminum, brass. Here is the famous scrap pile that I like. So if you have extra time in class and you ever want to come to the scrap pile, take some out, make whatever you want, as long as the teacher lets you, and it's usually they let you if you have extra time. Come check out the class, you know, come to the open house. I think you'll like it. Meet the teachers, they're really nice, they're fun. They help me out whenever I need it, because I know I'm not a pro. So, thank you.